Hello everyone, making fried chicken cutlets is actually so simple. Today, I'm going to share two methods with you. They're crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The more you eat, the more addictive they become, and they're even tastier than the ones sold outside. Let's see how I make them. Let's prepare 2 pieces of fresh chicken breast. Cut them in half down the middle. Then gently pound the chicken with the back of a knife. Chicken breast prepared this way will be more tender and flavorful, just like you see in the video. That's perfect. Place the prepared chicken breast into a bowl. Then, take 20 grams of fresh ginger and smash it to release the flavor. Do the same with a small section of green onion, then cut it into pieces. Add the smashed green onion and ginger to the chicken, then add a spoonful of salt. Add a little bit of pepper and a splash of cooking wine. Next, add an appropriate amount of oyster sauce and a little light soy sauce. Then use your hands to mix the chicken thoroughly. This allows the chicken to fully absorb the flavors of the seasonings. After mixing well, set it aside to marinate for about 15 minutes. Prepare a plate and pour in a generous amount of breadcrumbs. Then, prepare another plate and add 2 spoonfuls of flour. Set it aside for now. Next, prepare a bowl and crack an egg into it. Use chopsticks to beat the egg thoroughly. Then add a spoonful of flour. Continue stirring evenly with the chopsticks. Keep stirring until it becomes a thick batter like this. Our chicken is done marinating, so take it out. Next, coat the marinated chicken with a thin layer of flour. After coating, put it into the batter so the chicken gets an even layer of batter. Finally, generously coat it evenly and thoroughly with crispy breadcrumbs. Press the breadcrumbs firmly with your hand so they stick better and don't fall off easily. Once it looks like this, it's ready. Many people ask what to do if they don't have breadcrumbs at home. We can make some dough flakes as a substitute. First, add 2 spoonfuls of flour to a bowl and a pinch of salt. Stir the salt evenly with chopsticks. Then add about 20 grams of water, pouring while stirring with chopsticks. Mix until it forms a crumbly dough. Then, as shown in the video, use both hands to rub it back and forth until it turns into small dough flakes. Chicken cutlets fried with these dough flakes will be just as crispy. Take a look. Once you've rubbed them into this shape, they're ready. Next, coat the marinated chicken breast with a thin layer of flour. Then coat it with a layer of batter. Next, place the battered chicken breast into the prepared dough flakes. Coat both sides evenly with the dough flakes and press them firmly with your hands to prevent the flakes from falling off. Once it's coated like this, it's ready. Now heat oil in a pan. When the oil in the pan reaches about 60% heat, add the chicken breast coated with breadcrumbs. Don't rush to turn it over right after putting it in. Use low heat and fry it slowly. Once it sets, flip it over and continue frying slowly on low heat. Make sure the chicken breast is thoroughly cooked. The whole process takes about 6 minutes. Fry the chicken until the surface is golden and crispy, then remove and drain the oil. Next, put the chicken wrapped with the batter into the pan, also using low heat to fry it slowly. Fry the chicken until it's thoroughly cooked and the surface is golden and crispy. Once it's done frying, remove and drain the oil. After the chicken cutlet has cooled slightly, cut it into small pieces with a knife. After cutting, place them on a plate. Chicken cutlets fried with breadcrumbs or batter are both very crispy, and the color is especially appealing. The way I fry them, the outside is crispy, the inside is tender, and they're also very flavorful and delicious. Finally, you can sprinkle some barbecue seasoning on top according to your preference. Or add some ketchup. Wow, it smells so good. Just looking at it makes my mouth water. If you like my video, remember to like, comment, and share it. Thank you for your support.